Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today we are doing a very simple recipes. As you all know, I love simple recipes, so you are all welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome, and I know that you love this recipe. And if you do like the recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, so what we are doing today actually is one pan egg wrap. I'm using the tortilla wrap to make like a one pan egg wrap. It's very easy to do. So I have my eggs here, okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of salt in the egg and some black pepper. So just a little bit of salt. I don't like a lot of salt. And then you add a little bit of black pepper. It's nicely done. So what I'm doing is to just try and whisk this. A very easy recipe that you can do in the mornings. So I'm going to add to my eggs, I'm going to add some chopped onions. I love a lot of onions, okay. And then I'm going to add some chopped sweet peppers. It's quite colorful. So this is our egg that we are using. So guys, I have my pan on the stove. I put a bit of butter in it. We are going to fry the egg. Right, my butter has all melted, so I've just put So guys, my egg is cooking. This is my tortilla wrap. I put a little bit of butter at the back. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, so I'm going to put the tortilla wrap onto the egg that is cooking. All right. Now I'll allow it to cook. So guys, you are turning our wrap. Oh, this is so nice. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to add the things that I really like. I have some mushrooms here. So I'm going to add some mushrooms. Just on one side. And the next bit I'm going to add, what do you think I'm going to add to this? Right, I'm adding some cheese. Add more cheese to this. You have to be generous with the cheese. It smells good already. And the next thing I need to do, okay, what I'm doing is just to put it into two like that and allow it to cook. You can cover it at this point if you prefer. Right guys, so we can turn this to cook the other side. You can see it looks so lovely. So guys, our one pan egg tortilla wrap is ready. It's delicious and I can't wait to try it. So guys, look at this yummy delicious goodness that we have here. Okay, Oh, it smells so good. So this is our 1 pan tortilla wrap. It's delicious. Okay, and just going to cut it. I tell you, it smells really good. All right, just look at that. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, okay? And do subscribe to my channel. And please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.